Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Maria. I have one more Christmas in July video for you. If you saw my last video, perhaps you saw this little guy sitting in the back. Well, in this video, I am going to show you how I made a Candyland teddy bear. I hope you enjoy. I will leave a list and a link of some of the items in the description box below, just in case you're wondering where I got them from, or perhaps was looking for something similar to it and would like to purchase them. In the beginning, I used to wonder why Model Magic clay would crack after I would condition it for about 5 minutes non-stop, until I learned that if I seal it with Mod Podge, it will prevent any breakage. Now it's time to attach the ball to the tip of the hat. I chose to use this wireless glue gun, and for my first time using it, I love that I don't have to worry about it getting all tangled up. It has a off and on switch, and it also heats up pretty fast, something that is very important to me. Now, if you choose not to use a glue gun, you can go ahead and use crafter glue. Now that my surface is all clean, I mix a small amount of green with white, getting a pastel green. I made 3 ball shapes, 2 whites and 1 green, rolling each one with my hand, giving me a string shape, if that makes any sense. After that, I place all 3 string shapes together and I began to roll back and forth with my rolling pin. Once I am done, I am going to trim off the edges. All of these candies here have a wavy look to them, so these 2 that I'm making right now, I chose to give them a twist shape to them. Once they are dry, then I am going to Mod Podge each one, sealing it and preventing it from tearing up or cracking. And here is a closer look. So tell me, which of the 2 is your favorite? Go ahead and let me know on the comments below. And as well, my friends, I'm sure you have noticed that we have come to the end of another video. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys. I really appreciate every single one of you. And don't forget to hit that like button if you like this. Don't forget to subscribe and share as well. And until the next video, stay safe, be kind. Bye.